So if you have a Dodge Journey and you're wondering where the battery's at, it's right inside of the fender well on the driver's side in front of the tire. And so it's not inside your typical location. Most people will be used to popping the hood and it's inside the engine compartment, engine bay, but not on the Dodge Journey. It's right in front of the tire in the fender. So what would you need to do if you needed to replace it? Well, you're going to need some basic tools, and I'll put links down below for everything I'm reading here. But basically you're going to need a new battery, so just go to an auto parts store and they'll cross-reference it and give you a new one. And then you're going to need a 13mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a screwdriver. And so the first thing you'd want to do is remove the driver's side tire and put it up on blocks. Make sure it's up good and not going to come down. And there's some little push pins that need to be removed on the front wheel well splash guard. And so you just want to pop those out. There's like 4 or 5 of them right there. And then you'll be able to reach into the battery, disconnect the negative battery cable, and then there's a center little bar you need to remove, and then just remove the positive cable and you'll be able to pull the battery out. And then after that you just reinsert the new battery and just hook everything back up inside of reverse here. So like I said, if you need this article, I'll put a link down in the description. But that's basically it. I just wanted to give a quick overview of where the battery's at in the Dodge Journey if you happen to be wondering where it's at. If you opened up the hood and you can't locate it, it's located in the fender on the driver's side right in front of the tire. That's basically it. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.